Want to truly understand how spacing works in CSS? Then you need to learn the CSS Box Model. This is one of the most important concepts in front-end development. Without understanding the box model, your layouts will always feel confusing. What is the CSS Box Model? Every HTML element in CSS is treated like a box, and every box has four important parts: content, padding, border, margin. This structure controls spacing and layout in CSS content area. In CSS, every HTML element is treated like a box, and the default box model in CSS is called content box. This means width and height only apply to the content area. Padding and border are added extra outside the content size. This is the actual text, image, or element content. Box, width 200 pixels, height 100 pixels. This controls the size of the content area. Padding. Now let's learn padding. Padding is the space inside an element around the content. It creates breathing space between content and border. Box, padding, 20 pixel. So the content gets breathing space inside the box. Modern UI designs use padding everywhere. Margin. Now comes margin. Margin is the space outside an element. It creates distance between one element and other elements. Box, margin, 20 pixel. This separates elements from each other. Easy trick to remember. Here's the easiest way to remember it: padding. Inside space, margin, outside space, border. Next, border. A border is the visible outline that wraps around an HTML element. It appears around content, padding. The border helps separate elements visually and makes UI components look structured and clean. Think of it like the frame around a photo. Without borders, elements can look flat and difficult to distinguish. With borders, websites look more organized and professional. Box, border, 2 pixel solid blue. This creates visible outlines around elements. Real-world example: create a one-card, width 300 pixels, padding 20 pixels, border 2 pixels, solid blue, margin 20 pixels. Now we have content size, internal spacing, border, external spacing. This is the full CSS box model, box sizing. But wait, here's something important. By default, padding and border increase the total size of the element. But modern developers use this box sizing, border box. Now padding and border stay inside the width and height. This makes layouts much easier to manage. Where the box model is used, you'll see the box model everywhere: cards, buttons, navigation bars, forms, dashboards, landing pages. Without the box model, modern layouts are impossible. That's all about CSS Box Model. Modern websites are built with small CSS details. Learn one front-end concept every single day and start building professional UI designs. If this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Meow.